Sales teams close 40% fewer deals when they know nothing about their prospects. Typeform can capture basic info, but your reps need decision maker details to close deals. Here's the workflow to auto enrich every lead in seconds. Now I'll show you how this works. We have a simple Typeform here where normally your users will fill in. So we'll just act as the user. I'll fill in my information here. Then last information I'll type in my website. Great. Now let's head over to the workflow. Here we can see that it's running. So basically what it's doing is it's enriching your contact from Typeform and then saving it into Airtable. Now that that's done, you can see in Airtable, that's my information here, enriched, fully enriched. And you also get a Slack notification for this. Now let me show you how to easily set this up. Here's how to set up the n8n workflow. To start, let's rename the workflow. Typeform lead enrichment. Okay, now we're going to import our template file. The resource link will be provided in the comments below. Right here, we import it, and there goes our workflow. Next, we're going to configure our Typeform. So head over to typeform.com, then click over in your settings. Then once in this page, head over to personal tokens, then generate a new token. Let's name this Typeform Enrichment. Cool. Generate a token. Just copy this link over here, and then go back, open this node right here, click on this button, and then paste the access token. I already have mine, so you just need to paste yours. Then head back and select your form. So your form needs to have 4 things for this to work. Your company name, the first name, last name, and the website. If your form doesn't have this, let's go ahead and create one. So head back, go to workspace, and let's go ahead and create a new form. We will start from scratch, and all you need to do is click the contact info, hide the email and phone number for now. We only need the first name, last name, and company. And you also need a website, so click on this. Make it required. Make all these fields required. Then type in, please enter your website URL. Make sure to specifically type the exact same question here for this to work, and then click share, publish. Great, so now we have our form live. Head over to connect, webhooks, add a webhook. This is so that we can connect our form to the workflow. So here we're gonna be copying and pasting both the test URLs and the product and the production URLs. So first, copy over the test URL, paste it here and save it. Add a new webhook, head back. This time select the production URL, and then save it. And then make sure to turn both these webhooks on. Head back, and then select your form. Great. So next we're going to configure our drop contact. This is how we're going to enrich our contact. Head over to dropcontact.com, sign up, and you'll get to this page. Head over to integrations API, copy this, head back to the workflow, click on this node, click on this edit button, and then just paste the API key. I already have mine here, so you just need to paste yours. Then we need to configure our Airtable. Head over to Airtable, create a new one, and then let's rename this base into Typeform leads enrichment. Okay, cool. Now we're going to import our CSV file. The resource, again, will be provided in the comment below. Browse file, and we're going to import our table template. Create a new table, yes, import. There we have it, all the fields necessary. And now we need to rename this table to contacts. Great. Now that's done, copy the URL of this table, head back to the workflow. In this node, by the base URL, we paste the URL. And then we are going to do the same thing to all the Airtable nodes. So this one, paste the URL. Same thing to here, paste the URL as well. Okay, so for the last thing to configure, it will be your Slack. So head over and create your Slack app. And in your Slack app, all you have to do is just copy the client ID and the secret, and then head back to the workflow. And then click on this, paste your client ID and secret here. Mine is already filled up. And then select your channel that you want it to post on your Slack. Do the exact same to the other node over here. Select your Slack account and your channel. You're good to go. Save it, then activate, and your workflow is done. And that's it. If you're interested to learn more GTM automation workflow like this one, subscribe to our newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.